Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with complete GitLab CI/CD pipeline tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about GitLab architecture. Okay, so at a minimum the GitLab architecture contains the GitLab server, also known as coordinator, that coordinate everything like GitLab runner, whatever pipelines are running, they save and store the artifacts as well. So that is known as coordinator. Okay, so that is the main thing, that is GitLab server and GitLab runner that help us to run our job. Okay, so the GitLab server manages the execution of pipeline and its job store the result. Okay, so GitLab server is responsible to for our pipeline execution. Okay, so when a job needs to be executed, the GitLab server will find a runner to run the job. So whenever job needs to be executed, it's the responsibility of GitLab server to find a runner to execute the job, okay, and complete the job. So a runner is simple program that execute a job. Okay, so a working GitLab CI setup must have at least one runner. Okay, so it should have one runner at least. Okay, but there are often more them to help distribute the load. Okay, so this is a simplified overview of the step involved when a job executed. So the first thing is the GitLab runner coordinator locate a GitLab runner and send instruction for running the job. Then the GitLab runner will pull the Docker image specified in the job configuration. Okay, and the GitLab runner will start the Docker container. The GitLab runner will get the files stored in the Git repository, and then the GitLab runner will run the command from the script keyword inside the Docker container. Okay, then the GitLab runner report back to GitLab server coordinator the result of the job execution. So whatever job execution result the GitLab runner will get, it will report to GitLab server. Okay, so the GitLab runner will terminate the Docker container after the execution of pipeline and the job. Okay, so it's the automation process that whenever you run any job or any pipeline, so this much process take place there. Okay, so let's understand with the diagram. Okay, so suppose you have GitLab runner here. Okay, and GitLab runner also store the result, manage the pipeline and the associated jobs. That is responsibility of GitLab server. Okay, then it goes to GitLab runner. Okay, and GitLab runner is responsible to execute the job and give the whatever result runner will get, it will give it back to GitLab server. So there can be multiple GitLab runner according to your job requirement. Okay, so apart from it, there is one another GitLab runner architecture. So we have GitLab server here. Okay, and we are storing our whatever jobs, whatever code we have written there. Okay, so it's taking it's passing the information to GitLab runner. Then its GitLab runner is passing the information to Docker. So whatever file and the whatever Docker image we have defined in our pipeline, it's getting downloaded here. Then Docker container will get created here, and this Docker container will fetch the repository whatever code we have written in our repository. Then whatever script we have mentioned in the in our pipeline, so it will execute the the script here in the container image. Okay, and then after that it will save the artifacts, job artifacts, and it will pass the information back to GitLab server. Okay, so this is the exact process how our pipeline work. Okay, so this is high level diagram, high level architecture of GitLab. Okay, so as you can see here, so GitLab pages we have here, we have Nginx. Okay, we have HTTP and HTTPS server, GitLab workhorse, GitLab shell, unicorn, and PostgreSQL, Redis, Gitali, Redis, and Sidekick. Okay, so this is the high level architecture of GitLab. Okay, so you can see and you can understand the workflow, but this is simple to understand the workflow and like how our pipeline get executed. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any doubt regarding this video or this topic, do let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.